So Arrow has the same structure in memory, in disk, in network, and like you don't have a serialization deserialization overhead around when you move around. And also all the different languages, Python, Go, Java, they implemented the same Arrow protocol. When you transfer data from one language or one tool to another tool, actual data is not moving. You're just moving the pointers. That's a great benefit of Arrow. And investing on Arrowflight would eventually, invest into that direction. But we also get with Aeroflight SQL, we get great ecosystem because there is also already JDBC and open source JDBC, and also there's ODBC driver open source by Dremio. And as a nice side benefit, we get one more protocol support, which is called Arrow Database Connectivity, which is widely used in machine learning space.